Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get live wallpapers in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you want to get live wallpaper in your A17, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to install a third-party app because there isn't any built-in feature to use live wallpaper. Just open your Play Store, then go for search, and you just have to search for any live wallpaper or animated wallpaper. In my case, I'm going to search for Zedge Wallpaper app. You must have to install the app. Just tap on install and it will be installed in your phone. Wait for its installation. After the installation, just tap on open to open the app. And here we have to make a simple setup. First, just select agree and continue. Then select allow notifications. Then tap on allow. And here you must have to select wallpaper which you want to set as your own. As here wallpaper and the video wallpaper, you must have to select the wallpaper which you want to set as your own home screen. Let's say this one. You can see there's a live wallpaper, so I'm going to select this one. Just tap on download option. Then you must have to download it by watching our ad. Just tap on watch ad and you just have to wait for ad. Just wait for ad until it being skipped. After skipping the ad, you must have to select set as wallpaper, so just wait for the ad until it's being skipped. And here you can see the wallpaper has been downloaded. Just select set video wallpaper, and here you just have to wait for its loading. And here just select set wallpaper, then tap on home screen or home screen and lock screen, and I'm going to set these only at my home screen. Just tap on it. You can see your video wallpaper has been updated. Now let's check it. So that's how you can easily get live wallpapers in your Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.